born 15 years ago. He has one hand and no legs, and besides his academic interest, he without a hand, and he is master in 6 musical instruments, and he also likes to play football. He is a great inspiration to persons with disability, and it is also a message to parents of children with disabilities, because 15 years ago the doctors had told his parents to abort the child because he would be born with abnormality. And it is shocking that today, in spite of advanced age and technology, doctors are still advising the parents to abort children because they will be born with a disability or with some defects. So we have a brave and very inspirational story for you in Joshua Dcruz, and we also have his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Dcruz, who will share with you his life journey. Yeah. Speak. How
when when I was to be born 3 months in my mother's stomach during a pregnancy, just to ask my mother to abort. So during I played at Pedem, and I even played chess and have represented the school at the chess tournament also. At Pedem, inter-school tournament of chess. Not both the schools provided me very good support. Even my friends also played a big role. Like they pushed me along, not only in tenth and whole life, as well as KV, as well as Suri Cross. Disabled person, but they treated me as a normal child with me, like all of them. And nothing makes me. See, I may not have hands and legs, but my brain is complete, so I can do anything. I can even write stories, everything I can do. What else?
Do you want to pursue your career in the musical field, or you want to do something?
Well, I want to do electronics engineering. Originally, I wanted to do aeronautical engineering, but it's not available in Pap. It's available in Bangalore, Kanpur, in Chandigarh, in IIT engineering. Yeah, music as concerned, I will not leave it all. I will continue the hobby side by side. Same time I will give for education, same time for music as well. Okay, I play the keyboard, the drums, the acoustic guitar, as known as jambe. Persons and their parents that don't give up, don't take negative thoughts. People might say negative thoughts to you, but it doesn't mean that you have to take it inside. Just brush it off. It comes here, just leave it over here. Forgive and forget. Because they might suggest your negativity, they might even say negative things to you. Doesn't mean that who you are. It's like God created you. No, do not commit suicide. Because no matter who many people might, we will always love his creation. Like even if we create or make something, we will love that, right? Or we throw that in the dustbin. We love that, right? Try, pursue. You will fail one time, you will fail the second time. But at least once you will pursue, no, you will complete, you will pass. Once you pass, you can master the thing. So keep on trying and do not stop trying. And I would also like to thank God for giving me this opportunity. He has also brought me. Because of God, I am till this stage or till this stage, I have got this opportunity. I would also like to thank Sir everyone. I would also like to thank Sir Prakash Kamath also that they have given me this opportunity. And I will also thank you all for taking.
We came to know through the news actually, and that's how we went to South and we
Do you feel on the part of own people to support such kind of people like disabled students and all? Do you feel, or do you need that there is a more awareness, more this thing needed support?
Awareness is needed more. Support. The attitude of people like some places I know, अरे बाप रे मुझे तू तकलीफ नहीं but that people should like change of like see it happens, feelings happens, you get it happens, it conveys on your face and all, but doesn't mean like at beaches you need more of support, cooperation, and also some ramp should be done at beaches Because in the sand, as you all know, wheelchair cannot go in the sand. It will sink off, right? Yes, disabled kids also want to go at the beaches, but some many people cannot just walk on the sand because it's hot. It might even cut. As far as I walk, my legs get cut. That should be cleaned out, cleansed off, and ramp should be made till the water.
I can say like we are quite proud of it. The advice of the medical professional advice, but we will go with an ethical advice. You know, regardless of all these things.
ऐसा दूर रहे
डिजेबल प्रॉब्लम होता है डिजेबल के डिजेबल पर्सन प्रॉब्लम के सांगते
आमकां the cases, bring the cases, will take it up. Because no school till standard 12 can deny admission to children with disability. Okay, and professional colleges should have a 5% reservation for persons with disabilities. Okay, and all schools, all colleges should have access barrier-free infrastructure as well as reasonable accommodation should be provided to persons with disabilities. Anybody facing problems in getting admission, they can contact us because there is penal action under the Disability Act for not giving admission to persons with disabilities, not providing facilities to persons with disabilities. Okay. So bring it to our notice. We will take it up with the State Disability Commissioner, or anybody also can contact directly to the State Disability Commissioner.
This way, so children like them also get encouraged and they feel they can do something in their future. So I give thanks to all and organizations. And I was 3rd month pregnant. Doctor told about his condition that he don't have both the legs and without thigh, so he cannot put the artificial legs also because he's directly on the hip. So, and right hand was also short. So they told all about the child. I said, no, if the child is living, breath is there, we keep the child. So we continued, we waited knowing everyone was after us. So we waited till 5 months because we know government rules will not allow us after 5 months to abort the child. So after that we didn't go to any doctor, we waited for 5 months. So that afterward they cannot do anything. So then afterward I went to native place. And both the sides, both the family side, there was a cooperation. And the best part is that all school, first he was in army school, they cooperated us and they said because he was 2 years, that time only he knew all the tables to wait and the blessed time was there when he came in the Holy Cross school. Nuns, their teachers told, now you all don't come, we will take care of the child. So we only have to drop him to school and come to pick up. So rest all the duties they have done for the children, they give their duties. So they should also know how to handle the child, how to behave with the child. So this thing they moral they have taught in the school. And this was when we born that time as I was a teacher in the school, science teacher. So his education, his identity. And both of us together we thought now we will, and we never put him in the house, not, don't allow him to know. We have taken him everywhere. Agra, Delhi, Bombay, just explore the thing and beaches and to meet the people, Taj Mahal. People speak, it doesn't, but he is very strong from it is inbuilt or God given. He is very strong. He never took anything. If people laugh or do anything, they question. He just smiled and is very humorous. And he never allow us to feel that he is liking anything. And he does everything by his own. Dressing up, bath, moving around, running around. And this during 10th standard time, he did very good in first F1, F2, very good. He did above 80% internal he got. But when the prelims came, so because he was coming 3:30 from the school, extra classes were there and the French class, then Oda studies were there. Because of that, he was not able to do personal practice. So prelims exam, this percentage went down. So that was shocking for him. Then he said, no, I will do the practice. So 2 months, 16 to 18 hours he used to study. At 4 o'clock he used to get up. Every 3 hours he will study, 1 hour gap. 3 hours study, 1 hour gap. Like that he was doing the studies. And he did all the solution of 13 years papers, March and October papers, 13 years he solved. read that whole textbook. In 2 months, 16 to 18 hours he studied. And he did his own practice. The main I want to say, when we learn that is good, but own practice for the 10th standard student is very important. And parents should sit with the children what they are doing. It's just not for the children. And I say for parents and other children, please give the children chance to live in this world. Who knows in this world what child will come and what they can do for the whole world, what they can bring, like Einstein, so many people are there. What change they can come as a scientist or whatever. So we should be gathered and take courage to build up the child in the right path and allow them to come in this world. We have no rights to kill the child. Thank you.
What was the reason for choosing St. Xavier's marks after 10?
Yeah, because it has accessibility, number one.
Like lift is there.
All the lifts are there, all the buildings. That's not primary choice. Plus, it has a reputation.
Yeah, I would also one more thing I'll say for the other college they don't have lift or ramp proper facility for these children. So other colleges till 10 many everybody because of the election duty they are making the ramp in the school, but colleges don't have. So for other colleges also should have. St. Xavier is having lift and ramp, but rest all the colleges should also have for them.
Thank you.